Hi, this is Cheryl of Wise Owl Knits and Knitwise Knitting Tutorials. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to knit in the round on 2 circular needles. Now when you're knitting in the round on 2 circular needles, it's a great idea to have needles that are long enough that you can easily manipulate them around, but more important than that, and you can do it on shorter needles, but more important than the length of the needle is to have needles of 2 different colors. You don't have to do this, but I find it keeps you knitting on the correct needle a lot easier, and sometimes you'll still knit onto the wrong needle. The stitches that are living on one needle will always stay on that needle. So now we are going to knit the stitches on the needle with the silver cord cable, and we're just going to move those stitches down to the end of the needle and knit across all of them. So I'm, as you see, using the needle with the gray cord or silver cord. I think it's a little more gray, so we will just knit across these stitches. And then when we get to the end of these stitches, we're going to flip our work and work the stitches on the needle with the red cable. These 2 needles are of different lengths, and that's another good way to help you distinguish between the 2. Okay, we've knit the last stitch, and so we are going to just transfer those stitches to the middle of the needle, flip it over, and now we'll knit the stitches on the red needle, ensuring that we pick up the red needle to knit and not the silver needle. If you do the silver needle, then the stitches will all be on one needle, and you could magic loop. But for this demonstration, we're showing you how to knit on 2 needles in the round. Okay, so we're knitting with the needle with the red cable, and we'll knit across. And that will be 1 round done on 2 circular needles. It's a relatively easy process, and I think you'll catch on to it quickly. Thank you so much for watching How to Knit in the Round on 2 Circular Needles. I'm Cheryl with Wise Owl Knits and Knitwise Tutorials. See you soon. Bye.